Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. The first thing, we have the volume equals to B. So we have the integration. We can see that they start at number 0 and they stop at number 1. Next, we have the upper function to the power of 2 minus the lower function to the power of 2. So, in this one, the upper function that is about this one, and this is about s squared, and the lower function that is about this one, that is about s to the power of 5. So, number 2 with number 2, that is about 4. Number 5 multiplied by number 2, that is about number 10. And now we have the formula. So, the integration of s to the power of 4. So I will put number 4 gone here, and that is about number 5. The next one, that is about 11. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So that should be like this. So we calculate this one, and we have 6b over 55. This is the end. Thank you for watching.